This is JT Williams. This is my submission for Project 2 for CS50 Web. I'm just going to go ahead and dive right in. Alright, so I've been working on this project for a little while. I'm going to go ahead and start up the local server. Let's see here. Alright, so this is the kind of the main page. So make sure that if nobody's is logged in already, it's going to create a display name. So for this display name, it could be something like David. And then David gets defaulted into this main chat room. He has his display name up here on the right. Small message that says David has entered the chat room. And then anytime we click FLAC and try and refresh the page, we go back to the room, we are led back to this main chat room. We've got the message box here with the send button on the right, and then we've got the ability to look at other channels here and then create new channels as well. So we can create a new channel. Let's see. So let's just display the main and kind of go through that. So messaging works as simple as this. So David can say hello. Unfortunately, nobody else is in the chat room right now, but David can still try to reach out and see if anybody can see the messages. So let's say if somebody else joined, let's say if Chris joined in, we've got Chris here. So Chris is now into the chat room. So this is on Chris's side. Chris can see all these old messages from David that get populated. How are you doing, Chris? I am doing well, David. Cool. So this messaging feature can go back and forth. And now let's say if David wants to delete one of his old messages, so one of the old messages that got saved into the main channels is an organic one that he typed in, like the hello. He can go ahead and delete that. If he wants to delete this, David has entered the channel, he can go ahead and delete that too. And then down below, he can try and delete Chris's messages, but based on the unique ID, he does not have the ability to do that because he was not the one who generated that message in the first place. So Chris can say, I'm going to delete this later, and then boom. So David can see that message, and then there, it gets deleted. Cool, and so the same features apply for Chris as well. He's got his display name, and then he can join different channels. So if we go to a new channel here, we've got the new channel. This is a new channel. And then if David wants to go to the new channel, apparently it's Chanel, so the new Chanel, because I cannot type today apparently. David is now entered the chat room. Hello, Chris. I like the new chat room. I also like Chanel. Cool. Boom. And then he can delete. Chris can delete his messages. He can't delete David's. I can go in and delete his old ones. And David can delete his. Cool. Well, that's my Project 2 with Flask with the CS50. I appreciate your time, and I really enjoyed this problem. Thank you.